Hello YouTube, everybody's getting their yards mowed because it's been dry the past, well, I had to wait 2 days. I mowed Friday, so I had to wait Thursday and Friday. Today's Saturday. Just that light with the fuel stuff in it. Not to show any brand names, so I don't get paid. Okay, we're going to get this down to coals. We're going to cook some bacon in a little skillet. This is our Uni-gear fold-up camp stove. I do have a video on it. I'm sure some of my subscribers do remember this stove. So, stay tuned. We'll let this stuff get burnt down. It's stinky stuff. I would never cook food over this charcoal unless it's in a pan, because even after the fuel's gone, they stink. I don't really like them. It's just something convenient to use this little stove to see if it works. So, stay tuned. We'll be right back. Okay, this is a lot to have in a little pan. This is my little 6-inch Wagner-Ware. This is a ½ of a pound. We just cut the package in half with a sharp serrated knife. We had it in the freezer. We just sawed it in half. Then we threw it on a paper plate for about 45 seconds in the microwave, just so it'll thaw enough to peel them apart. Pretty good bacon. It's farmland. Farmland. You can do this brand in a package from the store. Probably like $4, a little less on sale. But I picked it because it had a lot of meat to it. See that? Some of the stuff I get at the butcher counter, that bulk type stuff, it's had too much fat. So there's the coals already, and this is high as you can set it. That's why we're still experimenting. It's only the second time I've got to use this stove since I bought it. Said you can flip this around. We got it flipped so it's as close as we can get. It's pretty close. So stay tuned. We'll see what happens. Okay, this is pretty hot. We do have a leather glove when we grab onto that, but it's almost too much for this little pan. But the only other pan we have is a really junky, will not hold a seasoned Lodge pan, 8-inch. You get it on a whole lot of heat and it's just a loose. I've tried seasoning in this barbecue, but this is a good place to set this is up on the little barbecue here. You can't close the lid or nothing, but makes a nice little table. A little more of a fire safety thing instead of this rickety old stand down here. You got a fork and a spatula, so whatever works to turn it. Okay, enough yak. We'll bring you back when it's done. Okay, we're almost done. I had to take about 3 pieces out, just an excuse to sample it, right? They're at the bottom. They were getting where they would have been too extra crispy, and I don't want it extra crispy, so we don't know what we're going to do with this. We're not going to make no egg. Just need to get this bacon cooked up. So we may make an egg at supper time or something and warm the bacon back up. Make like an egg, cheese, and bacon sandwich, and then microwave and warm the bacon. I'll do that with stuff like that on the weekend. So there you go. Thanks for watching. I hope you're all hungry. It's only about 75 degrees out. Just a slight breeze, enough that you can hear the wind chime a little bit. So really nice Saturday afternoon after all the rain we've had for a week. So thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this one.